Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam download server to fix those frustratingly slow download speeds. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how the application functions. Now, in the settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories. Click on Downloads. This section controls everything related to how Steam handles downloading and updating your games. It's particularly important because the download region you're connected to can significantly impact your download speeds, especially if the server you're currently using is overloaded or far from your physical location. In the download section, you'll see an option called Download Region. Right beside it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of available servers from around the world. Here's where you want to select a different region. Pick a nearby server that's geographically close to you, as this usually provides the best performance and fastest download speeds. Sometimes switching to a less congested server, even if it's slightly farther away, can make a huge difference in your download performance. After selecting your new download region, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Click on it to apply your changes. Steam needs to restart for the new download server settings to take effect, so give it a moment to close and reopen. This ensures your downloads will now route through the new server you've selected. Now, while we're optimizing your Steam downloads, there's another useful setting that can help improve performance. Scroll down in the download section until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a Clear Cache button. Click on it. This feature removes temporary download files that might be corrupted or causing conflicts, which can sometimes slow down or interrupt your downloads. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the download cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Steam will clear out the cache data and you may need to log back in afterward, but this simple step can resolve many download-related issues. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam download server and cleared your download cache, which should significantly improve your download speeds. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.